Hi all, in this video, let's learn how to create a module and how to publish that module to the NPM registry and how to use that NPM package in any of the other projects. So these things we'll be looking in this video. Fine. Firstly, what are the benefits of having publishing an NPM package to the NPM registry? The benefits are you can reuse this code wherever you want. So that's the first benefit. And you can share your module or your package to someone in the same organization. If any privacy things, if you want to share this to the public as an open source, you can do the same. It means the second benefit is you're going to share your code to the external organization or in the same organization. So the third benefit is you can maintain your code or you can maintain your package as a version based with a semantic versioning. All these things are the best benefits if you have a package and if you publish that to the NPM registry. So now let's look into this with step-by-step process. So the first step is we need to have an NPM account. So for that, go to Google and say NPM login or NPM something. So you'll be going to this page. And now if you have the NPM account, you can sign in. If not, you can create one NPM account like this. And all these three values need to be remembered. While you are publishing your package, you'll be giving these values from command line. So while you are creating an account, it's good to remember all these things so that you can publish this while you are publishing your package. So this is the first step you're going to do. Now let's do the second step. Second step is like now you're going to write a package or a module. Now you need to build a module and you need to export this module. For that, first thing we need to do is npm init -y. So it will automatically take all the values. So that's the reason I have given -y. So now we got package.json file. In this package.json file, I will be creating one index.json file as well. So now we have index.json file and package.json file. In this index.json file, I need to write some code which I want to publish to the NPM registry. So for example, just we'll take a basic example. So this is a very basic example. Like let's take two numbers. So number 1, number 2. So I'm writing an arrow function here and just I'm returning number 1 plus number 2 here. What does our code does means it will, if you pass two numbers, it will just return back the sum. So that is about our module or our code. Now I need to do this. I want this code to be published to the NPM registry. For that, what we need to do, of course, the example would be the basic one, but here our aim is to publish that and use this package from NPM registry. So for that, first I need to export this module.exports is equal to addition. So the reason why I'm exporting this module is in order to use. So in order to later you need to import this, right? Later you need to import this function and you're going to use this function. So that's the reason you're going to export this. So this is about creating or building a module. So fine, you have created the module successfully. Now you need to publish that to the NPM registry. Before publishing that, you need to verify NPM. So let me take one more terminal. So I'm taking one more terminal here. So in this terminal, so do one thing like npm search and give the package name, which package name you want to publish. So the package name here is in the package.json name. This would be the package name. So with this package name, you're going to publish your package to the NPM registry. If you want some other package name also, you can modify that here. Okay, but for now, I'm going with this package name. So npm search, I'm giving the package name, publish the package. So this is the package name which we are giving. So why I'm doing search means if the npm registry has this package already, so then we'll be getting some error. So that's the reason before publishing, we need to double check whether this package is existing in npm registry or not. For that, we are going to do npm search and the package name with which we are publishing. So I'm clicking enter here. So now it will search the NPM registry with this name. So you will be getting no match found. So if you get like this, it means you're fine to push your package with this name. Okay. For that, the next step is npm publish. Just if you click npm publish, it will push this package to our npm account. So for that, so I have as you have created NPM account. Once if you log in into that NPM account and go to the packages, now I have 0 packages uploaded. Okay, now once I click NPM publish, so what happens? So before doing NPM publish, so it was published automatically. So before doing this NPM publish, so we need to NPM login first, because we need to log into some package. So that's the reason we need to first do NPM login. As you have searched, this package is not present in the NPM registry. Now, before publishing your package, you need to do NPM login. For that, as mentioned in the first step, you need to give these details. Okay. So once you give all these details like username, password, and email ID. So now it means we have logged in to this registry with this username. Okay. Now we are fine to publish our package. Now we need to do NPM publish. Now see, it was published. I think we got some cannot be republished. And okay, with the same name, we cannot publish it since. So, okay, it's fine. So I will modify the as before this, I have practiced to publish this package. So let's do one thing. I will modify this to 2. Okay, now let's check this. I will do same NPM publish now, as I have modified the package.json file and I'm publishing. See, once if you get like this, plus publish.package2 at the rate this version, it means our package was published. It means it was pushed to the NPM registry. Okay, the earlier error why I got it, I have published the same package with the same name earlier. With that's the reason it is saying you cannot republish this until 24 hours. So that's the reason. And also, if you want to modify your package name, this is the place you can do. So both the things we could able to see here. And if you get like this, it means your package was published successfully. So now let's check here. So I will refresh here. Yes, we got our package was published successfully. If you go here, I'm clicking this package and we'll be getting one installation, how to install our package. So this is how we are going to install our package. NPM install publish the package. So I will copy this command. So now what I need to do, I will create one more project. So I have one more package. So this is another project or another product or another organization, or it would be an open source. So now how I'm going to use this, our package in this project. So this is what we need to do the second step. For that, so same npm init -y. So I'm creating package.json file with this command, so that once the package.json file is included in our project, then you can install. So now I will paste. So I'm installing our package. Okay, click enter. This package would be installed. See, it takes some time. So once it is installed, so yeah, it is installed. Here you can see it was installed. So now let's move here and we'll create one index.json file here, and we'll show how to use our package. So for that, first thing, constant, I will say it as ABC, some variable, anything. So I need to import it. I need to import the, yeah, this is a package we have installed. So I'm importing this package first. So later on, what I need to do, I will do constant sum is equal to, I need to call the method ABC. So it means I have installed this. I'm importing this with this reference. Now ABC of, and I need to pass 2 numbers like 4,5. Fine. So now I will console this sum. It means our functionality is to add the sum. So here we wrote some logic in this package where that is imported, that is given the reference to ABC, and this ABC is sending 4,5. It means internally we are using our package and we are sending 2 values, and this will return the value of 9. Then the sum will be printed as 9. Then we can confirm that the package or the logic which we wrote and whatever we are importing and using, if we are getting the same result, it means it is our package is working fine. So now let's run this. Okay, how to run this file is like node, just you can run with the node index.js. Yep, we got 9 as an output. It means now we are calling our module. We are using that package, as we have installed this package, we have imported it, and just we are using that. Okay, It means we have shared our code to someone else and they have installed this package and they are sending two numbers, and our code is returning back. It is doing addition and it is returning back the sum. So this is what happened. So this is how you're going to use the packages. So this is a common way of using. So hope these are the steps we need to do. So let me brief it once again. The first step is you need to register. You need to do some account. You need to create some account. And the second step is you need to create one NPM package, npm init.json. And in this index.json file, you are going to write some code like this. This code will take two numbers. It will return back the sum. And I'm exporting this addition sum because we need to import in the code where we are going to use it. So later on, you need to search for the package name, whether the package name is existing in NPM registry or not. If it is not present, you're going to log in first. NPM login is the next step. Okay, you need to log in with the username, password, and the email ID. So once you're logged in, so the next step is you'll be getting the publish. So you need to give npm publish. So once you publish, our package will go to our npm registry. So thereafter, you can use that here like this. You can create package.json file and you can import that our package, and you can just pass two numbers, and our function, our package will return back the sum. So this is how you're going to create your modules. You're going to publish your package to the NPM registry, and this is how you're going to use your package. Hope you understand the video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.